Chris and I were together actually standing on the hillside, then I went back to the car to get something, and then they wouldn't let me back in on the hillside when we were standing.